Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to upgrade your eBay account. So firstly open eBay application on your device and then open the section My eBay at the bottom side of the screen. Scroll down and open Settings, and here go to Personal Information. And here in theory you should have the section Account Type, but as you can see I don't have that. On the website I don't have that too, so probably you should try using your desktop version of eBay, and then probably you will have. Or it could be due to the version of my eBay application, and probably I have some old version. So you should see here account type. Click on it to edit and select business account and tap continue button to save changes. Enter your business details, including your business name, email address, and any other required information. Once you have completed all the information, tap submit button. And now your account will be upgraded to a business account, which will give you access to additional selling tools and features. So that's how you can upgrade your eBay account. I hope you find this video helpful, and please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.